Measurement of volume of irregular solid body by displacement method. The displacement method is a technique used to determine the volume of an irregularly shaped solid by observing the amount of liquid it displaces. Here's how this method is applied in different scenarios. Case 1. For an irregular solid heavier than water. Begin by filling a measuring cylinder with water to a certain level and record this initial water level, V1. Tie the irregular solid body with a thin and strong thread and carefully submerge it in the water so it's fully immersed. This causes the water level to rise. Record the new water level, V2. The difference in water levels, V2, V1, reflects the volume of the irregular solid body. Figure 1.13. Case 2. For a solid body lighter than water, fill a measuring cylinder with water to a noted level. Figure 1.14. Lower the sinker into the water with the help of a thread. Read and note down the levels of water in the cylinder. Let this reading be V1 ml. Remove the sinker, then tie the lighter object, such as cork, to the sinker and submerge them together, recording this new water level V2 ml. The difference between these two levels, V2 minus V1, gives you the volume of the cork. Case 3. For a solid that's soluble in water but insoluble in other liquids, if the solid dissolves in water, repeat the steps in case 1 using a different liquid in which the solid does not dissolve. Measure and record the initial level of this liquid in the measuring cylinder. After immersing the solid and recording the new liquid level, the difference between these levels will indicate the volume of the solid. In each case, the change in liquid level directly corresponds to the volume of the solid being measured.